The essentials for making fresh pasta. First of all, a slender sheet of dough. And that's all the expertise of skillful hands. We've watched our mothers and grandmothers at work, rolling the dough out as fine as can be. Simple, yet not easy. It's all a question of balance, and instinct matters more than rules. Eggs and flour, a few simple ingredients, that's all it takes. But it takes just as little to get it wrong. Practice makes perfect though, and we've learned from our mistakes. It all starts with that slender sheet of fresh pasta, the canvas ready to embrace a work of art. Take a close look at a tortellino. It's a masterpiece of what we might call smart design, where the pasta clasps the filling in a lasting embrace. In this case, form and substance really are one and the same. We've taught our machines to do what we watched our grandmothers do, devising and adapting them to guarantee that very same result. We're frequently asked how we're able to produce Grandma's fresh pasta on an industrial scale. The answer's easy. It's all about balance. For example, the environment makes all the difference, and we've taken care of that. All it takes is slightly higher humidity to alter the pasta, and you notice it right away. We keep working on things until we get them just right. It's just the way we are. The cold is our friend. It allows us to maintain the flavour and shape of our pasta just as it leaves the factory, so you can enjoy all its original goodness. This is what makes the difference. Here at Surgital, we produce our fresh pasta with the same loving care as our grandmothers used to in the kitchen. And from our factories, it travels worldwide. Our secret? The raw materials, for sure. We know exactly where they come from and where they're grown. We taste them right there on the farm because we like to reach out and touch the hands that have nurtured them. This is the only way to guarantee a smooth, effective blend of the raw materials, the equipment they're processed with, and the environment they take shape in. And once they reach the restaurant table, you can taste all this. It's rolled up fresh on your plate, waiting to be enjoyed. It takes a lot of experience, but when it comes down to it, this is our secret ingredient, balancing all these aspects. Simple. This is our pasta. This is the stuff we're made of.